Okay, I've had a lot of people confused about what they're supposed to do and a lot of crazy solutions being shown to me. And so I'm just going to make this video so you can see what you're supposed to do in this homework. Okay, so I just made the simplest little file, whatever. Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived an eagle. His name was Claude. I can even make another file with a different name as long as it ends in .txt. Okay, so that's the first thing. And what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to open it in whatever, idle or whatever. And here's the solution. I put a whole bunch of spaces in here so you can't see the code. All you can see is the heading that just repeated the assignment. A person should have a header here, but of course this is private, so I'm not going to show you. So I took a student's submission and I adjusted it so it was perfect, and now I'm running it for you. You just say run module, or however you run something, and you type in the name, sample.txt. No output. Please do not give me output. This should run silently. Having people fill the screen with garbage. I don't want to see anything. I just want to see you type in the name of the file and hit enter. That's it. Now, what happened as an effect, you can close down the code. It created in the same directory where the homework was and the input file, it gives the output file. Okay, so the output file should look like this. There should be no extraneous returns in it. You shouldn't put double returns. Okay, so there should be the same. It should be like you just took it and almost put it in the mirror, right? So if there's a punctuation at the end of the line, it should be at the beginning of the line. If there's a capital letter at the beginning of the line, it should be at the end of the line. Don't string your lines together. If there's 4 lines in the original file, there should be 4 lines in the final file. Your input file should have at least 2 lines so that I can see this is working. Okay, don't make them single words. Make sure there's at least 2 words in each line. So if I were to, for example, create another file and hi there person, hi again. Okay, I'm just going to create any old file. Then if I open this up, I should be able to invert it using my homework. I just open up the homework again and I say, okay, run this. And what's the new name of the new file I just created? It was called, I think, hi there. So I type hi there.txt and bing, I get the inversion of this. Here it is. Okay. It's just whatever I created, it inverts it. Okay, that's what it's supposed to do. Nothing fancy. And the code should be fairly small. The block of code probably shouldn't be more than, it's going to be somewhere between 6 and 20 lines of code. Okay, if you need to use more than 20 lines, you're probably doing something wrong. If you're using fewer than 6, you're probably not doing it at a deep enough level and you're just calling a package or something. So you can't call a package to do the work for you. But as long as you're doing it at a fairly deep level, then I'm satisfied. So you can call a package if you're still manipulating the strings yourself. Okay? Hopefully that helps.